This is your VSC button, which stands for Vehicle Stability Control. Whenever you get in your vehicle and start driving it, it is automatically on. So to turn it off, you just hit this button. But let me show you what happens when it's on. So what happens when it's on, it's a stability. So if I'm going and if I spin a little bit, you notice that that slippery light start blinking. That's what happened. But I'm gonna walk you through on how you can turn that to limited slipperage. I showed you a few seconds ago what happened if your vehicle starts spinning and how the slipperage lights start blinking. This button right here is called the VSC, which stands for Vehicle Stability Control. If I want to limit that slipperage, only thing I have to do is push this button. And I'm going to show you what happens when I push this button. Once I push the button, I'm going to zoom in. You notice that that little light comes on. And also this other light, which is the auto LSD, which stands for limited slip differential. So it's limiting the slipperage. In case you're in like a little mud or something like that and you want to limit the slipperage, you can just push that button. And to turn it off, you just push it again. And just say for instance, you want to totally eliminate the slipperage. So you want to turn it on, you want to turn the VSC off. So you want to turn the vehicle stability completely off. The only thing you have to do is go back to this button right here. And you want to hold it for 3 seconds, 3 to 4 seconds. You notice that these two lights are on. So your vehicle stability control is completely off. So no slipperage will happen. But you only want to use this in case you're in some deep mud or something like that, rough terrains, and you need to get out. But you want to only keep it on for maybe a minute or so. But you don't want to drive on a highway with this on. And you notice that that auto LSC light is off. So that's how you turn off the VSC. So to turn it back on, you just push that button again. And you're gonna notice, I'm gonna just push it and let it go. You notice that it's back, everything is back on. So the VSC is back in control. All right, I hope this video helped, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Thank you.